Hello, everyone. Here is YiLu Proxy's channel. The video shows how to use YiLu Proxy with ParseHub.
First of all, set up YiLu Proxy settings as shown video.
Proxy ports, bind address, proxy engine, proxy rules. Don't forget to save. Then click New Project. Enter a website you'd like to extract data from. Here I enter browserleaks.com IP to check IP address. Then click Start Project on the URL. Turn on the Browse button. Then click the icon on the top right and click Options. Click Advanced. Then forward an IP to proxy port,
such as local port 1080. Right-click an IP and connect.
YiLu Proxy only has USA static IPs. Multi-port forward, right-click an IP and select a proxy port. If you want to find other countries' IP, you can use rotating IPs. Select a country, such as Canada, and set the number of refreshing IPs. Click Refresh. Right-click an IP and select a proxy port.
Then click Settings on the network.
Select Manual Proxy Configuration.
Enter 127.0.0.1 on SOCKS host. Then enter a proxy port set in YiLu Proxy, such as 1080.
Select SOCKS v5.
Select Proxy DNS when using SOCKS v5.
Then click OK. Refresh the web page to check IP address.
The IP is the same as the proxy IP of 1080 port.
Then change the port 1080 to 5501. Refresh the web page again. Now the IP address becomes a Canadian IP. OK. The video about how to use YiLu Proxy with ParseHub is over. Thank you for watching and subscribing.